Good morning, Christmas tree, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. Hello, so I just got dressed. Let's head out into the kitchen and make some food. And I'll show you what I'm cooking again today because that was fun yesterday. So I'm going to do it again today because I like what I'm going to cook. So let's go head out to the kitchen. Here is what I'm making for dinner. Just a box of macaroni and cheese. And then I'm going to put some ground chicken and mixed vegetables in it. So it has like something in it. So I cooked this once before and I really liked it. So I'm gonna cook it again. So let's whip this all together. Here is the ground chicken mixture with mixed vegetables. It's cooking up nicely. And the noodles are almost done. So yay, gonna mix the macaroni and or just the cheese mix in here in a bit after I strain it. The stuff in the macaroni and cheese. So now I'm just gonna take this and transfer it here a little bit. There we go. I created like my hamburger helper kind of situation. So I'm just gonna mix it up and then put maybe some extra cheese on top. So here's how the dinner turned out. I mixed it all together, so that's what it looks like. And I made some cheese sticks on the side and just having some water. So yay, I love this kind of meal. So I'm done with dinner now and I'm in my room. I'm at my desk for once and I need to do some bits on it and I thought you could join me. First off though, I need to text my cousin. It is his son's 4th birthday. His name is Fourth. He's like the 4th in line of, yeah, it's a long story. His name isn't actually Fourth, but I need to text him because it's his son's birthday and I'm his godmother. So yeah, I'm going to do that now. His mom just posted some pictures on Facebook, so that's really cute. Oh, I really miss him. He is the newborn baby I held in Vlogmas 2016, had a birthday for in 2017. He didn't appear in Vlogmas 2018. He did last year in 2019 because I was like singing him happy birthday, I think. I think that's a vlog or something. But yeah, hopefully I can call them in like a week or something. And they don't have really good Wi-Fi, I think, at their house. So yeah, I'm gonna go text them happy birthday for me and then I'll catch you up in a bit. Here's a picture I can show of his 4th birthday. It's so cute. I really miss them and he's growing up so fast. I remember when he was so tiny and trying to say hi in my videos. Aww. So just texted that. That is great. They haven't responded yet. I don't know. What time is it in the Philippines? 2, 3, 4, 5:30 at night. I think, yeah, 5:30 at night because it's 1:30 in the morning as I'm filming this. So what we are going to do today is buy gifts for the people in the Philippines. I've done this since 2018. So I go onto this website that is like Amazon in the Philippines and I buy gifts on it and I send it to my house in the Philippines. I mean, I still have an address there and everything. My aunt still is in the house. Hi, Rema. I know she watches these. So I send the gifts to the house and then she distributes them to whoever I buy gifts for. So I have 4 godchildren. The oldest is Georgina. She was the first one to become my goddaughter. She is a neighbor and then they asked me, do you want to become the godmother? And I'm friends with her mom and yeah, I do this every year. I've done it every year I think since she became my goddaughter. My aunt told me she talked to my goddaughter the other day because she still lives near our house and she is excited because she knows every year that I try and send something. Even when I was there, you could see in Vlogmas that I always bought her a gift and I continued that tradition. Even if I'm like 50 million miles away from the Philippines, I still get her something. And I know as a kid I loved getting presents from my godparents, and so I still do that because I know the appreciation and stuff, and it just makes me so happy that I can do something like this even though I am far from everyone that I love. So she is the first one. Then we have my nephew who is who just turned 7. I sent him a gift in September, but I'm going to send him his Christmas gift. So Marcus turned 7 and I miss him so much. I took care of him since he was a tiny little baby, and then I grew up with him, and he's been in a few vlogs as well, and I miss him so much. So I have to send him a gift. Then the next one is the nephew that I just texted, his birthday. So 4th is going to be another one. So he is my 3rd godchild. The last one is like a distant relative or whatever. It's some kind of relative. I don't know how it relates back to me, so I just call her my godchild. So her name is, I always forget her name, Jillian. That's what her name is. So I have to buy hers. So there is a 10-year-old, 7-year-old, 4-year-old, and a 3-year-old. So I have to get that. And then I have to get more gifts for the siblings. So Marcos has a brother who is almost a year old. He's gonna get something. And then I have to get another gift for 4th sister, so I have to get her something, and then the rest of my cousins. And yeah, this is why Christmas for me is very stressful in the Philippines, because there is just so many family members. Like every year I stressed about it because I have 50 million family members. So here it's only me and my dad, so it's like easy to buy gifts for him and myself, but over there it's so hard. So we are going to go onto that website. I'm not sponsored by them. I wish maybe one of these years I will be. I'm putting it out into the universe, but I'm gonna go onto Lazada here on my laptop. I might call my aunt so she can help me out, and we are just going to go Christmas shopping for all my family in the Philippines. So yeah, that was very long and rambling, but that is the explanation. If you've watched my previous Vlogmases, you've already heard me say it, but I might have new people come around. So yeah, I'm going to go Christmas shopping now. Yay! By the way, you might be wondering, why are you doing this so late? Well, that is because I've always left it to the 12th. 12/12, there's always a sale on this website, so yeah, it makes it in time. I've done it 2 years in a row. Hopefully the 3rd is okay. So yeah, we're going to do that. I'm really excited about it, so hopefully I can find some things. I have an idea. I've been browsing a bit to get all these people, but yeah, my aunt isn't picking up. Pick up the phone! So let me go pop this website in. My laptop just started up, and we can go Christmas shopping and see what else is there, because since there's a huge sale, there's a lot of things on here. So let's go. Right as I open the website, we have this cute little dress. It's so cute, and her birthday was a unicorn theme, and I think it has unicorns on it. So I am going to get this for Bella. That is so cute, and it's 55 pesos, and that's cute. One done right off the bat. As soon as I opened the website, I'm like, yes, that is what I'm talking about. So 1 person down, 1 million more to go. So I picked something up for the 10-year-old, or I'm thinking about it. It is a DIY necklace set. I thought that would be so cute. Like, I was obsessed with making like necklaces with my friends, and when I was 10. I mean, she's not at school at the moment because pandemic, but I thought that would be cute, and for her to do, I'd love this. Or I can get her like a DIY soap kit to make her own soap. I don't know if that's fun for a 10-year-old though. So yeah, I'm between these two right now for her. Here we have my aunt. Say hi to the vlog, Dodema. Hi. Okay, so we picked out some gifts. So I'm getting 3 of these necklace sets for 2 cousins and my goddaughter. And then we have this one for the 7-year-old, so a Game Boy, and then a Captain America thing. I decided on Captain America because I'm in America, so it's cute. And then I got... Captain Canada. Oh, no, not Captain Canada or Captain Philippines, Captain America, because I am in America. So we have cute pajamas for his brother. And then we're getting a baby doll for the 3-year-old girl, who's my goddaughter. Then the 4-year-old godson, I'm getting him Captain America again, a different version. This is like more kid-friendly than the previous one, because this is for a 7-year-old. And then this is for a 4-year-old. And then the cute dress that I showed you for his sister. So yeah, I'm doing pretty good with shopping. So yay, that's all so fun. So got this t-shirt for my cousin, and then I got the men's version for my other cousin. So yeah, I picked up some t-shirts for them. That's fun, and I love the designs. I wanted another one, but it's out of stock, so that one's cute. Next we have my cousin's daughter. So she's gonna turn 8 next month, I believe. So I'm just gonna get her a 50-piece Hello Kitty hair accessory set. I would have loved this at 8 years old, so getting that for her. So I just got done shopping. I'm still on the phone with my aunt right here on my phone, but yay, I'm not going to show you the order number, of course. So I'm done with Christmas shopping for my family in the Philippines, which is great. Dog, dog. Oh, hello, dog. Hi. Hi, Poopy. Hi, Boyong. Hi. Watching TV with my cousins while I'm on the phone. Okay, say bye. Bye, dog. So I just got done. I was watching a movie with my aunt and my cousin, and we've watched Daddy's Home, I don't know, so many times that I know the movie by heart, and I still laugh at the crazy basketball scene every single time, as you heard. I don't know how much of my laughing I put in, but that movie is still the best thing in the world. I've watched it so many times, but I love it. So yeah, I'm going to get to editing because it is getting late. It's almost 5 a.m. So need to edit the vlog now. Probably see you in the next clip with my dad for you know what time. We're back again with Advent calendar time. We're gonna open day 11. Hey, oh, it's huge. Oh, yay. It's a stocking. Oh, I love that.
Christmas
so cute. I love. Today's my favorite chocolate. So that is it for Advent calendar time. See you again tomorrow for day 12. I think I'm done Christmas shopping for everyone in the Philippines now, so that is good. So I always do it on 12/12. It's the 11th here for me, but it's the 12th in the Philippines, if I didn't make that clear. So that's why I went shopping on the 11th instead of the 12th, because tomorrow is 12/12 for me. So that was fun. I think I got everyone. I hope they're happy with the gifts. I told my aunt that she needs to like film her receiving the gift, so hopefully she can figure that out and know how to like film it and then send me the footage. Who knows if she knows how to do that, but we'll see. If I ever do receive any clips, I'll add it into a day in Vlogmas. So that's exciting. I'm so glad that I got everyone a gift and that's taken care of. I still am waiting for a couple of my dad's gifts to come in, and also a couple of my gifts to come in here in LA. So yeah, I have a lot of shipping notifications coming to my phone. Like my iPad was going off like crazy earlier. It just keeps on beeping, beeping, beeping because of all the orders I did. So I think I made 12 orders there. Yeah, that is done. At least I'm done Christmas shopping. Let me know if you're done Christmas shopping. Are you organized and have it all done? I usually am done by the 12th. I always do that. So 2018 is when I started like buying online and then shipping it to the Philippines and stuff. So I was in New York when I did that. I remember that, and I bought a few gifts for my cousins and my godchildren, and ever since then it's become a thing. 2019 there was a whole vlog dedicated to that as well, and then this year. So yeah, I'm glad that there is a way to send gifts to the Philippines. Just put my credit card number in and that is it. So really simple and easy, and I am so glad that I do not have to go Christmas shopping anymore. I mean, I probably say that, but then I'll see something for myself or for my dad and I'll end up buying it. But yeah, I think that is it for me. I'm having pizza rolls, some pizza flavored Pringles, and some water as a snack for the evening, I guess, while watching my favorite dog show every Saturday, so have that on in the background. So I'm done with my snack now and watching TV, so I'm going to end the vlog and head to bed. I hope you enjoyed watching day 11 of me Christmas shopping for my family in the Philippines. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you tomorrow for Vlogmas day 12. Good night, Christmas tree!